Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Today we will continue with this chapter, Urban Administration. Come to page number, there's 60. A community protest. What is community protest? Yashmin Khala continued. The women were very unhappy about the situation and even came to me for advice. I said I could try and speak with some officer in the department, but I wasn't sure how long it would take. Then it was Gangabai who said that it is the ward councillor who we should go to and protest, since we are the ones who elected him. So when we have elected the councillor, we must reach to him to say our problem, to explain our grievances. She gathered a small group of women and went to his house. They began shouting slogans in front of his house, and he came out and asked that what was wrong. So they were standing there and they were raising their hands and they were saying the slogans, shouting the slogans, and they were explaining their matter. And at that time, the councillor, he came out from his house. Gangabai described the situation in the locality to him. He promised to go with them the next day to meet the commissioner. So the councillor was no other option was left in front of him, because the people who elected him, they are standing in front of him and he had to help them. So he said that the next day he will go to the commissioner. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults in the locality saying that garbage was not being collected. So a petition is required where people who are living in that area, they will put their signature there. He suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them the next day might be a good idea. So this one is also a good idea, that if we take the local sanitation engineer, he can explain it better to the commissioner. The sanitation engineer could also speak with the commissioner and tell him how bad situation was. That evening, children ran from house to house, making sure that as many families as possible signed the petition. The next morning, with a large group of women and the ward councillor and the sanitation engineer went to the municipal corporation office. The commissioner met with this large group and began giving excuses, saying that the corporation did not have enough trucks. So when you are not doing your work and you are being asked at that time, you will give excuses. The same thing the commissioner is doing. Okay. So, but Gangabai smartly replied, she is quite smart, you can see, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from the rich localities. That one you can do. That must have left him lost for words, quipped Jahangir. Yes, he said that he would take care of it immediately, and Gangabai threatened that if it was not done in 2 days, a large group of women would protest in front of the corporation, said Yashmin Khala. So did the streets get cleaned? Asked Rehna, who never let things remain unfinished. Well, not within 2 days, and then after another larger and more noisy protest, the sanitation service in this locality became more regular. So you see these sort of protest is required. If you are not protesting, then people will not help you. Wow, this sounds just like a Bollywood film with a happy ending. So what has changed since Khala retired? What Yashmin Khala did not mention to the children was that in recent times, in order to save money, the commissioners of several municipalities across the country had hired private contractors, underline this one, to collect and process garbage. So the commissioners, they have taken this initiative. They are hiring private contractors who in turn they are collecting and processing garbage. This is called subcontracting. This means that the work that was earlier being done by government workers is now being done by a private company. These contract workers get paid less, and their jobs are temporary. Collecting garbage is also quite a dangerous job, and often these contract workers do not have any access to safety measures and are not taken care of it. They are injured while working. Okay, children, so today we are ending our class here. Just give a tick mark, and in our next class we will proceed with the next part of the chapters. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.